Hello, good morning, guys. So today is Christmas morning, and it's 6:29, but I already wake up at 6. So here I am in the kitchen. I'm going to cook the ham today, and I want to say thank you to It's Me Arnie, my friend here in YouTube, because I will try her recipe, but I'm just gonna do a twist because my husband bring me a different bacon dish. So I'm gonna use what I'm gonna use. So I'll show you later. And yeah. Okay, so this is my ham, and I already rub it with sugar. This is the sugar that I use today, wholesome organic coconut palm sugar. This is what I got. So I already rub sugar, and then I'll cover this and I'll cook it for an hour and a half because yeah, that's what the recipe said. I just will twist some of the ingredients and how I prepare it. So this is it. Okay, this one is from my nephew Ati, and no, it's not a MacBook Pro. This is mine. I put the what is this? The pajama dinosaurs here, just for a little laugh later when his parents will open the gift. Yep, I'm almost done. This is the last gift that I will wrap. Okay, done shower, and this is my outfit for today. For today, here, Christmas outfit. Why I always do that? Okay, I'm going downstairs, and hopefully my ham is almost done, and we are almost ready for our Christmas party. Yay! Okay, our empty living room is ready for our party nap. Kitchen is ready, and oh, it's still wet. Thank you, love, for mopping the floor. And our, what is this? Dessert, not dessert, but our hot cocoa station here. Yum. Yay. Okay, our living room is not so empty anymore. Just kidding. And that's all the gift. And we're waiting for everybody to show up anytime soon. So, yep, we don't have food. Just kidding. Later, I'll show it to you. Hot cocoa station.
She used to flame them. It was really, I mean, she wouldn't have it all the way up. It would be like barely.
Yeah. And that's it. We are done with our Christmas party, and we got our Christmas gift. So I know when I upload this, it's already Christmas is over, but I hope you got a good Christmas and you got whatever you're longing for Christmas or looking for. So yeah, that's it, guys, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload this, but see ya. Bye. Mwah. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys. And I know I'm MIA. So tonight is Christmas. No, New Year's Eve, and I cook not a lot of food, but on my back, I made another rice because we have some friends and family coming. Not a lot, but yeah. So this is our 12 kinds of fruit because that's our kind of tradition in the Philippines. We have plates and cups here. And I made cucumber salad and pancit noodles. So we're gonna have a long life for long life. And we have tamales. Actually, I didn't make this. I ordered this one. It has two kinds of tamales. I think green and red tamales. So yeah, and my pork belly is burned because I forgot. I washed something and then I forgot that I'm cooking pork. And we do have tres leches in our fridge, but I will show that later. And yeah, our house still empty a little.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can tell.
I see. Oh, you got Moscato.
Yeah, there's some like Moscato, some brown, mostly Moscato.
Got,
Yum. Wine.
Baby.
Atticus.
you can't eat my nose. You can't eat my
Yay, come here. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! Choo choo. Yay!
Sweet.
Thank you. Happy New Year!
New Year!
Here, asawa, one more. Cheers! Yay! Oh, I hear fireworks.
Oh no, the counter's going backwards. We're going back in time.
I know!
God.
We're back in time, another
We're back in
2020!
2020 already? No! We're a minute into 2020. 2021.
Okay, the damage is done. Happy New Year. Good night, guys, and happy 2021. Happy New Year. Bye. Stay safe, guys. Mwah.